Ito yung BackTestingMax na ginagamit ko. You start with a new session. Tapos kung gusto mong normal, fully random, or prop challenge, ipili ka lang. But I like normal. Press next. Tapos pipili ka na symbol mo kung anong gusto mo. Let's try that. And then we'll try the dates. 2025. I think you can only do 3 months. Then ang initial balance, the lowest will be $1,000. So, or let's see. Next. Then you start backtesting. Then you press take trade. Kung gusto mong long, dito pwede mo rin baguhin yung stop loss, pwede mo baguhin yung take profit. If you just want it directly automatic, press submit. Then you hit skip 1 bar or skip 5 bars, or you can press play. Okay. Then when you're done, just press save session. Press the title. AUD NZD. Save and finish. Okay, yun lang.